Hi, Rolf Snobeck here, and thanks for joining me again this week. So we find these days that many clients are thinking about sustainability and specifically how it relates to a roof. The question is, how do you get there? Many clients are concerned about reducing how much material goes to the landfill. That's a legitimate concern. Specific to construction and roofing, 50% of all of the roofs in America that are torn off every year and go to the landfill don't need to be torn off. Out of the total volume in the landfill, 36% on a national basis is construction debris, and 10% of the total landfill volume is directly related to roofing. So any reduction in the amount of roofs that are torn off would have a dramatic impact on those numbers. We find many clients that are looking for a coating restoration option for roofing, and it's a viable option to extend the life of the roof and reduce landfill usage if it's technically feasible. We also have clients that would look to recycle the old roof if it needs to come off, and that's something to consider. Also, if they need a new roof, they're looking to see if it could be used with recycled materials. Or materials that could be recycled in the future if they have to buy something new. Those are all good attributes to look at. Another solution I'd like to talk about today is what we call a vented roof system. What's unique about it is that the wind holds the roof in place. The three common methodologies to hold a roof membrane in place are mechanical fasteners, glues, adhesion, and ballast rock, basically dead weight gravity holding the roof down. A vented roof system works on the principle that the wind is holding the roof in place. So I got a little sketch here that kind of lays out how it works. If you've got a typical building that a new membrane is put on with a one-way vent, and as the wind blows up against the side of the building, it's forced up the wall. It kind of tumbles along that top edge of the roof and creates a negative pressure along the edge of the roof. One-way vents are installed in the roof there. They draw air out from below the roof membrane. So the harder that the wind blows, the harder the membrane sucks down to the existing structure. Just like with coatings, there's technical considerations that need to be thought through with this type of application. But it is, by my estimation, a very good approach, when possible, from a sustainability standpoint. It saves not having to tear off the old roof, and the new membrane can be made from recycled material. And the other thing is that that when that roof needs to be replaced, let's say 20 or 25 years down the road, that membrane can then be recycled. You could use EPDM, you can use PVC, you can use TPO, all common modern materials. And you don't have to worry about filling the landfill a couple of decades from now. So if you'd like to know more about vented roof systems and how they work, let me know. My contact information's in this post. I've asked the question before, how will history judge us? In my opinion, we need to think things through differently for a better result today and a better result in the future. I look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to follow me here on LinkedIn or on YouTube at #RolfTheRoofingGuy. Have a safe week.